Alright guys, how's it going? My name is the Film Attackers, and I got my other Blu-ray in today, in the package, and the other one is Al Pacino's Scarface Gold Edition. This is the newly transferred 4K release of it, and this is one I've been excited for a long time. I have always wanted Scarface to get a nice 4K transfer, and when I heard they were doing the Gold Edition, I thought it was kind of a lie, because I'm like, you know, they had all this time to finally remaster it, why wait now? And the rumors were true. We got a Scarface 4K transfer for the Gold Edition. This costed me, I think it was $20 on Amazon. I got another package coming in, by the way, guys. It's going to be here either next Tuesday or Friday. It is a very rare one for all that every collector should own, and I'm going to be reviewing it. And I'm not going to tell you guys what kind of set it is. I was going to let it be a surprise, but yeah, I'm a huge fan of Scarface. Scarface is my favorite movie of all time. And what this comes with is the movie beautifully, what I heard, beautifully restored in 4K, and it comes with bonus features. This came out for the 35th anniversary of Scarface. It even comes with the TV version that you can watch. But the slipcover is one of the nicest things about this, because it has a nice, like, reflective type case with embossed lettering. And then you get in here and you have the Blu-ray, well, the 4K Blu-ray, and then the normal Blu-ray of Scarface. Both of them are the Gold Edition, so you won't be getting the previously released Blu-ray that came out for Scarface, which I'll be showing you guys in a second. This one is newly released, so if you want the latest version of Scarface, this is the one to get. And they do have a Blu-ray copy of the Gold Edition, just standard. So if you don't want the 4K Ultra HD copy, you can separately buy the Blu-ray one if you choose to. There's also a collector's edition of this. It comes with a statue. I wanted it, but I just don't have enough room on my shelf for it. But this is a beautiful looking case. It's just gorgeous. They really did this justice. This is, like, they didn't do nothing fancy. Instead of it being like, no, it has the black and white right here, but also has the gold, which is nice. I'd say this set is worth it if you're a Scarface fan like I am. I absolutely love the movie Scarface. So this is definitely worth a purchase for me. And to show you guys the difference between this one and the previously released edition, I'll put this on my shelf. This is my oldest copy of Scarface I have. This is my steelbook, and you'll notice the discs are different. This is for the Blu-ray, and that's just the normal DVD. This was the original anniversary set that came out for the collector's edition back on DVD, and this is the first transfer of Scarface to be put on Blu-ray. So this is the older one, which I'm going to be keeping this one because it's a nice steelbook. This is a collector's item to me, but yeah, the Gold Edition, totally worth it. I cannot wait to do the unboxing for I almost said it. Fuck it. For the Tarantino box set. I just recently bought the 2012 release Tarantino XX box set. Something I've been wanting for a long time on my shelf, and now I finally get a chance to get it. Thanks to a friend of mine who's going to be sending it to me. So I'm going to be unboxing that for you guys. I cannot wait to do that, but I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time.